In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Apple's liquid glass effect in Figma Beginners Tutorial 2026. We'll start by setting up a background so the glass has something rich to refract. In your Figma project, place a photo onto your canvas or into a frame. A colorful or high contrast image works best because it helps the glass look dimensional. Make sure the image fills the frame and sits beneath everything else. On top of the image, draw your button. A simple rounded rectangle works great. Place it where you want the effect to shine, leaving enough space around it so the edges and lighting can read clearly. Add your button label with the text tool and type the title you want. Center the text visually inside your shape so it feels balanced and readable against the background. Turn this button into auto layout so spacing and alignment stay consistent as you tweak. Select the button container and the text, apply auto layout, and center everything both horizontally and vertically. Set comfortable padding so the label has breathing room. Give the button a stroke, then switch that stroke from solid to linear gradient. Add 3 color stops on the stroke. Make all 3 stops white and set the top and bottom stops to 5% opacity. Keeping the middle stop more opaque creates a subtle highlight band that suggests curved glass. Adjust the gradient direction by dragging its handle from the bottom left toward the upper right. This diagonal light cue brings the liquid quality to life. And while you're at it, round the corners to a radius of 23 to further soften the shape. Add a fill to the button, pure white with 2% transparency. It's barely there, but that hint of milkiness is essential for the glass look without washing out the photo behind it. Open the effects panel and add a background blur set to 10. If your interface shows pixels instead of percent, use a value of 10. This lets the background image blur through the shape, mimicking frosted glass. Enhance the lighting with an inner shadow. Set the Y position to 2, blur to 4, color to white at 40% opacity. This adds a soft internal glow that catches the light along one edge. Add a second inner shadow for contrast. Set Y to 2, blur to 4, color to black at 20% opacity. This creates a gentle internal shade on the opposite edge, giving the button depth and curvature. Finally, refine the outline by reducing the stroke width to 0.5. The thinner rim keeps the emphasis on the glassy lighting rather than a heavy border. That's it. Your liquid glass button is ready. Tweak opacities, blur, and gradient angles to match your background and enjoy that polished, modern, Apple-inspired finish.